Okay, so today we're gonna be reviewing Wendy's food. Here's what I got. I got a Big Bacon Cheddar cheeseburger, small fries, and a vanilla frosty, which we're gonna try at the end of the video. I also got Sprite, because obviously Sprite is the best. So let's start with the fries. They're nice and salted. It tastes very not artificial. Those are definitely fries I could eat every day. Now let's unwrap this big burger. Look at all that. It's got onion rings and cheesy stuff. Whoa. Look at all this stuff in here. This is what I got. Looks like I have a double burger. Looks like we have some cheese on top, which is really nice. We have onion rings inside. We have bacon. We have cheese. We have more goodness meat, and we have more cheese. So let's just try this burger. Oh man, it's another burger. Wow. Phenomenal. Let me try the bacon and the onion on it. Getting so much juice, so much flavor. The crunch of the bacon and the onion rings. Phenomenal job. I'm gonna need to finish this. Okay. Now we have vanilla frosty. Let's open this bad boy up. It's sweet and it's very vanilla-y. You can either get chocolate or vanilla. I chose vanilla. You can really taste the flavor. It's smooth. Definitely very good. I got vanilla Sprite. It doesn't really taste vanilla-y. It just has more bubbles in it, which is kind of weird. So let's do ratings. The portion is pretty small compared to what we saw at the Habit the other day. So I want to give these fries, for amount, it would be like a 6 out of 10. But for actual taste, I'm going to say 10 out of 10. This is very good. Now the burger. This burger is just jam-packed with flavor, and it has a nice pow and juice of flavor and everything. It's just really got those nice, meaty tastes. I would rate this actually 10 out of 10. It's very good. Okay, so they forgot to give us something called bacon jam, which is something that you're supposed to put on the burger. I'm just gonna try it with a fry real quick. It's sweet and it has bacon in it. It's really good. So because this sauce is meant for the burger, for you guys, I'm gonna go try it with my burger. So let's go dip. That's really good. It's very good. Yes. And this frosty, I gotta say, it's a little bit plain. Maybe there could be a little bit of toppings on there, but still it's really good. I'm gonna give that a 8.5 out of 10. So overall, that's my reviews. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.